Okay, starting off, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to prime my eyes. I'm taking this color Jada from the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to pat that on my lids. I'm going to pat it first, and then I'm going to blend. So I'm just patting it on the outer corner and kind of bringing it into the crease. Sorry I get a little out of frame here. I was like bending down and I have really bad eyesight, but I was always like I was like hunching over and looking in the mirror because my eyesight sucks and I wasn't wearing my glasses. But anyway, so I'm taking that, kind of blending it to the crease. I pat and then blend this color like I said. And excuse my brows, they was looking a little like they needed to get done. So yeah, now I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna blend this color out a bit. All the brushes will be in the description box below, all the names of the brushes and everything that I use in this video. So I'm just gonna blend it a little bit more. It's looking really good right now, like, oh my gosh, like the blending is amazing. Okay, so I'm taking this color Enchanted and I'm putting that in the crease and on the outer V, and I kind of like the eyeshadow isn't as like crisp at this part, but it's all gonna come together in the end. Just clean that up with some concealer and it's gonna look bomb. All right, so I'm taking the color Creamsicle and this cheap brush that I got from eBay, and I am patting that on the other half of my eye. And I got powder all in my eyes. I get a lot of stuff in my eyes in this video. Like, I don't know what was going on when I was filming this, but makeup is dangerous, y'all. Like, you can really injure yourself. I almost went blind. Okay. All right, so I'm taking this color Hunts and I'm patting that in the middle, and I noticed how vibrant this orange is looking compared to the other eye. I guess I don't know what I was doing when I was practicing this look, but I go ahead and make it a little bit more vibrant so they can match. I don't know why I was dancing because I was watching Criminal Minds, but that's my show, y'all. That is my show. I watch it like all day, every day. It's so addicting. Okay, so I'm taking this color Enlighten and I'm putting that in my brow bone, or on my brow bone, I should say. Okay, so so I start color correcting, right? And watch, I don't know what happened, but I got it in my eye. I was like, what is going on? And then I got it all over my arm. It was a mess. I don't know what was going on. So I got it all over my arm. I'm gonna blend that out. Color correcting really helps a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna just speed through this part because the video was mostly about the eyes. So I'm just gonna show y'all how I do my face. So I'm gonna shut up now and let y'all watch. Okay, I was looking in the camera because like I look super orange on camera. I don't know why, but I looked orange. I was like, why do I look so orange? But this is my all-time favorite concealer. It's so hydrating and full coverage. It's only like $4. Like, come on now. Alright, I'm gonna shut up again. Yes, Angelica Soleil. I'm using the NYX Lip Lingerie and the Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. And this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Yes, boo, I am bomb. Okay, bye.